Hey, it's Brian here, and I've got a great video for you that I just created all about showing up on Google Search and Maps and how you can attract more people into the center to ultimately boost your revenues. Let's roll. Questions and answers. So questions and answers, you can only see on this page. You would have to actually look up Shanahan Lanes, find your business profile, and click down here to questions. You don't find that at google.com/business. Don't know why, but that's just how it is. So you have questions. Can we renew our club card on Saturday? Do they serve food or beverages? Does anyone know how much miniature golf costs in Shanahan? $8 per person. So Jacob answered for you a year ago. Do you have open bowling Thursday, Friday? So this week. So some of them, obviously you didn't, it's who knows when it was asked, right? How much is the price per game?
Is there a way to determine when it was asked?
For this, it's not showing me the dates. It might show you because I don't own this profile and you do. It might show you when the question was asked.
All right.
Usually this is something where it's like this hidden feature. It's almost like, like the secret room kind of thing that's behind the door or whatever, or behind the bookcase. It's kind of like that. So my recommendation for you is set a reminder or a calendar appointment for yourself to just go on and check your questions and answers. So you can go on and answer all of these anyways. Is it open bowling tonight? Well, we don't know. That's where you could answer and say, hey, we have open bowling these nights. Is the course well constructed? Hey, this is what we did to create our course and how we constructed it. We even have some fun surprises for the kids. So you can go answer all these. The other thing you can do, because you probably get a lot of frequently asked questions, right? You might get someone calling and say, hey, do you do parties? What do you do? Blah, 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 blah. Or if people are in center, what they're asking, you can actually go in, you can ask a question yourself. So you as the owner can write the question and then you can answer it. So now you take control of the conversation. You ask the question, you answer it. Now, if people are looking, they can find the information right there.
Okay.
So questions and answers, another thing that a lot of business owners don't realize is even there, gets you more points towards that high score. Let's see. Okay, we talked about reviews. Now, right here is your description. With your description, when you go to google.com/business, you have up to 750 characters, character, letter, number, space, punctuation mark. So you want to use as many of those characters as possible. So let's say that I'm visiting, right? I'm visiting family. I brought my wife and 2 kids and I'm looking you up. So I want to see, okay, you got good reviews. Great. We'll get to photos in a second. Okay. And then I go down here, family owned bowling center with miniature golf course. Note that mini golf hours may be different from bowling center hours. I remember Greg talking to me about that. Let's do a little bit more with that. Let's massage it out a little bit. We're a family owned bowling center. We've owned the center for 22 years. We really love our extended family and we consider you family when you walk through the doors of Shanahan Lanes. So paint a picture for me that, like you were talking about before, of that passion, of that love for your customers. Hey, we do corporate team building events. We do community events and fundraisers. Talk about all those things right here because this lives right on Google when people are doing their due diligence and finding out about you. So that's there you have it. It doesn't have to be hard. It's just a matter of doing something. So watch the video again, pause it, take notes. And if you have questions, here's my email right here. Feel free to send me an email. I would be happy to help you because I want to see you grow your center. Until then, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Here's to your success.